I love today's video because A, it's gonna be honest, and B, I never ever finish products because I get a lot of things in PR and I also love to shop for like the latest things. So usually I don't get to finish products. I just have always something new coming at me. But I managed to get a whole Trader Joe's bag full of product empties. I don't even remember half of the products that are in here because it's been months in the making. In social media nowadays, it's all about buy this, buy this, buy that, but no one really tells you when they finish it if they do like it, and I'm really bad at that. I have to be the first one to admit it, so I'll make it a thing to keep up with products and show you my empties and let you know what I think about them. So let's get started. First product right here is Love Beauty and Planet. It's their shampoo. To be completely honest, the reason why I bought this is because I've seen everyone get sponsored by this brand and I wanted to try it. This is their Hope and Repair shampoo. My hair and basically my entire body is really dry, including my hair. I think it was great. Did it moisturize a lot? No. Is it worth it? Yeah, just because it's really affordable and it's one of the few shampoos that it's affordable that is paraben free, vegan. It's a very clean brand, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. I honestly just fell for the marketing and it wasn't the best at moisturizing my hair, but also my hair didn't get worse while using it. So I would most likely repurchase this if I need to buy a clean shampoo. Oh, this is one of my favorites. Not clean at all compared to the product that I just showed you, but this is the Olay Foaming Whip Body Wash in the scent. This is very heat. The scent birch water and lavender. Oh my goodness. I bought this dude back in like May, I want to say, and I just finished it in November. It lasts so long. It's like an extra tall bottle too. I love this stuff because you don't need to use a loofah or like a sponge to put it on. It comes out literally like whipped cream. It's all out, so I can't really show you. It's just whipped and foamy and you put it all over your body. It's the easiest thing ever. It smells so freaking delicious. I would 10 out of 10 repurchase. I just have a lot of body washes that I got in PR and I'm trying to be smart about not buying things when I already have them. But if you're looking for a body wash, 10 out of 10. Next product we have, ooh, another hair one. I cannot show you this one without showing you this one. So this is from Nature Lab Tokyo. They send me a lot of stuff in PR, so it's a brand that I work with time and time again, and I really love their products. They have different lines for different types of hair. I am currently trying to test all of them just to see which one's the right fit for me. This is their Smooth collection, and it helped like so much at bringing down the frizziness in my hair. My hair is hella frizzy. Like, it's a wild thing to tame. This is color protectant, sulfate, and paraben free, which is great for your hair. I would 10 out of 10 would recommend this. Next up, ooh, things are gonna get spicy. Boy, this is the Way Body Cleanser. It's obviously all gone. There's many things I would like to say about this. To begin with, did I enjoy this product? Nope. And this is probably gonna take me out of Way's PR, which it is what it is. Honestly, anything to be honest with you guys. I did not like this at all. First off, I don't know about the pricing, but knowing Way, knowing the brand, pretty sure it's overpriced. Second, if you were to pay that much money for it, let me show you a close-up of the bottle. Do you see what it looks like? You would think that something as nice as a brand Way wouldn't have this type of packaging, and this is not me treating it bad. This is me simply like squeezing it because I need to get, you know, like you squeeze your bottles in the shower. This bottle didn't hold up at all. Also, it honestly did nothing for me. The scent was okay. It was not like the most amazing thing I've ever smelled. I honestly prefer the Olay one over this one a million times more. It's all about the hype. It's all about the packaging. It didn't do wonders for my body. It didn't moisturize. It was the most meh body wash ever. Didn't even smell delicious. Like, okay, let's say the scent was amazing. It didn't even smell that great. And the bottle, again, like it looks like shit. It doesn't even look cute. So it's a no from me. Oh yes, Caudalie Beauty Elixir. I've gone through bottles and bottles and bottles. This one I try to make it last because it's a limited edition big bottle, but eventually I ran out of it. This is one of my favorite products ever. You can use it for toning, hydrating, setting your makeup. Recently with maskne around and all that stuff, I like to spray it throughout the day to kind of like clean my skin from wearing a mask all the time. 10 out of 10 would always recommend this. Another Caudalie product, I have a lot of empties from them because, like, I don't know, I just ran out of them at the same time. This is their Vinopure serum. I've gone through at least 4 of these bottles. Love this serum. It is the most amazing one. I shared on my Maskne skincare routine video. One of my favorite things for preventing and curing breakouts. So if you have sensitive skin and you feel like every breakout product out there just makes your skin worse, this is it. Another Caudalie Vinopure product, this is their toner. This is amazing. I love it. Is it a need? Definitely no. I feel like you don't really need it, to be super honest with you. It's great, but I wouldn't go out of my way to buy it. There's other products from Caudalie that I would totally like invest in. This honestly didn't make a huge difference, so I had it, it was amazing, but would probably not spend the money on it. Doesn't mean it's bad, I just wouldn't. I would just honestly spend my money on the beauty elixir rather than this because you can use it many other ways. And next up, since we're already doing Caudalie, we got their Vino Perfect Serum. This is my favorite product ever from them. Like if I had to pick one item from Caudalie to try, if you never tried the brand, this is it. And it's kind of painful when I have to talk about this one, how much I love it, because it's so pricey. I got my mom hooked on this and I feel guilty because it's so freaking pricey, but it's amazing. It does everything that your skin needs. It hydrates so much. It gets rid of dark spots. I feel like it's also kind of anti-aging in a way. If you just want good skin, this is it. If I was to just have one serum in my skincare routine to use all the time, this will be it. 10 out of 10 would recommend if that wasn't clear. But only if you want to spend the money though. Like I feel like that's very pricey. And again, it pains me to recommend it, but it's pretty amazing. Oh, Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch, which is a pimple patch. Here's my very honest review. I love them, but I feel like half of the time when I put it on my pimple, it doesn't really suck everything. Like I take it out and I see stuff on the patch, but I see like a white thing on my breakout and I just honestly pop it and it comes out right away. So for that reason, yes, I love it because it does bring everything to the surface, but I don't know, like I honestly haven't tried any other pimple patch. Like are there any where you take it off and there's literally like no white stuff on it? Because on mine there is a little bit of white stuff left in it. I just have that question, like does that mean it's not a good one? Because I've only used this brand ever. I don't have any reference as to what a good pimple patch would do. So this is a neutral opinion. I like it, but I don't have nothing to compare it to. So let me know in the comments below if pimple patches should not leave anything behind, or if that's okay what it's doing, or if you have a favorite brand that's not this one, let me know. Next up, oh, Pharmacy Clean Bee Cleanser. I'm kind of neutral about this one, honestly. It's great, it's very gentle. It's the thing about it is like it smells literally, it smells like honey, which is probably my favorite thing about it. I feel like people usually want a cleanser that gets the crap out of their pores without leaving you dry. I wouldn't say this is like a deep clean one. I actually had this one in my shower, which usually when I'm in the shower, the steam and everything, I don't need a harsh cleanser. Or in the mornings, if you just want a very gentle cleanser that wouldn't mess with your skin barrier, this is a great one. On the other hand, I know there's like a lot more affordable dental cleansers like Cetaphil. For the price, it didn't do wonders. Next up, we have, ooh, this is one of my favorites. Dry Bar Moneymaker Flexible Hold Hairspray. It does exactly what it claims. It's a flexible hairspray. It holds it, but it's flexible. I love it. I really, really like it, but I have yet to find an affordable, great, flexible hold spray. I already tried the Tresemme one. Didn't love it. Also, Living Proof has a great one, but again, very expensive. It's great. It's really good. If you have the money to spend on it, definitely recommend it. I personally am still trying to find a more affordable route for this because flexible hold spray is not something I want to spend a lot of money on. Like serums and styling products and all that, yes, but maybe not this one. Another hair product, this is KLORANE's dry shampoo. I actually got this one a year ago in France. I didn't bring any dry shampoo with me, so I went to the drugstore. I purchased like a 3-pack of this and I loved it so much. Spoiler alert, I love this product, that I really try to make this 3-bottle last forever. Like here I am a year later going through my very last bottle. For some reason I thought it was just a French drugstore brand. They didn't sell it out here. So 2 things. One, it turns out they do sell it here, so yay, best dry shampoo I've ever tried. And B, I actually became a brand ambassador for this brand 2 weeks ago. This is obviously not sponsored, but since I'm sharing it and I have a code for you, I have a link in the description box for KLORANE if you want to get a little bit of a discount when you shop through that. Their dry shampoo is amazing. It absorbs the oil like no other, and even better because, okay, dry shampoos for me, yes, they do absorb the oil, but do they keep absorbing it throughout the day? Because I feel like some of them you put them on, immediately looks amazing, but then halfway through your day, like it just looks greasy again. Not with this one. For that reason, I would 10 out of 10 would recommend this. Okay, skincare product. This one, gotta be honest, it's not done. We have some product left in there. I am getting rid of it. It's almost done, but I just don't like this one. I really don't. I really like the brand Avene. It's a great one for skin. This is an exfoliating gel, and it is so harsh on your skin, like the beads on it. And I also personally made the switch to not use any physical exfoliators. I only like to use chemical exfoliators. No, just no, it's too aggressive. If you're gonna go for the physical exfoliator route, there's so many more nicer ones out there that are way more gentle to your skin, and this is just not it. Next up, we have Beauty Counter's Instant Eye Makeup Remover. I really enjoyed using this one. It took off my eye makeup. It works just as good as the good old Neutrogena or like the classic makeup remover that's like half oil, half water. This one though, the ingredients are amazing, which if you care about ingredients and what you put into your skin a lot, 10 out of 10, this was amazing and never failed me. If you're not into that bougie stuff, the Neutrogena one will do just as well, I'm sure, but I actually really did enjoy it. Yet again, another cuddly product. This is our Venusaur's SOS Thirst Quenching Serum. I have very dry skin, and in the winter, guess what? It only gets drier, so this is a product that I like to grab. My very honest thoughts is that I like it, and it's great. It worked amazing, and that's that. Next up, another skincare product. This is Reflect Hydrating Facial Cleansing Scrub. Almost a year ago, I got a lot of cleansers from Reflect and PR, and at the time my skin was going through a phase where it was just horrible. I had so much texture. It was seriously just ugly to look and touch and everything. This guy right here saved my skin so much. This guy has been my ride or die for the last year, and it's definitely an investment skincare item. But if you're suffering from skin issues, especially texture, I would say this guy, oh my gosh, this saved my skin so much, and I would 10 out of 10 recommend this. We are down to our very last product. It is funny that this will be our third body wash in this video, so I guess I go through body washes pretty fast. This is Necessaire's body wash in the scent Sandalwood. If you're into bougie body washes, like let's say that way one that I showed you, I would definitely go for this one. This scent is amazing. What I love about it is that the Sandalwood scent is pretty like unisex. Usually in my shower there's 2 body washes, one for my husband, one for me. This is one where we both share, which is why I went through it faster. You know what? I should try putting it in my tub, see if it makes a bubble bath. That would make a fun idea. It just feels so luxurious, like compared to, like, look at the bottle difference. This one is so beat up. If you're gonna invest in a body wash, I would go for this one. And I actually have a discount code for Necessaire, so if you're wanting to try it but not pay full price, the link again is in the description box. It's really good. I really enjoyed it. And the scent also lasts on your skin. Like my husband would use it and then I'll smell him after, be like, oh, you smell good. So for guys, it's amazing. Also for girls, but anyways, point is, I really do love and enjoy this one. So whether you're into luxurious body products or affordable drugstore ones, these two were my favorites. Hopefully some of these products you've been eyeing for a while and this video helped you decide whether to buy it or not. This is a great way to keep it real, showed you what I use. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later in my next video. Bye!